my name's Olivia Glazer with Nichiha Fiber Cement. I am a territory manager working out of Orlando, Florida, specializing in residential construction. I will be here answering some of the most common homeowner questions about architectural wall panels. The first most common question is, how much do Nichiha architectural wall panels cost? Homeowners can expect to pay between $8 to $12 a square foot for the panels and the installation equipment. Nichiha offers two very helpful tools to help homeowners project the cost of their architectural wall panel projects. The first tool is the project estimator. This tool just requires that you have a rough square footage number and the product that you're interested in. You plug that into our tool and it will come out with a rough price. Our other tool is the project calculator. This one requires that you have exact square footage and the product that you are interested in. This one does take a little bit longer than the project estimator and does require a little bit more technical know-how. Feel free to grab your contractor and have them help you answer some questions about openings, transitions, and trims. At any point during the process, feel free to utilize our chat tool on our website or fill out a contact a rep form and speak with one of our reps directly. This tool can create a bill of materials and a precise cost. Homeowners often ask if architectural wall panels can be used inside. We say absolutely. They look great as accent walls or around fireplaces, and they look great to bring the outside in. So you've chosen Nichiha to be used on your project, but your builder has no experience with it. How can Nichiha help? We can offer help in a few different ways. First, we can perform a technical design review with our in-house architectural specialists, or we can offer field support with pre-construction meetings or trainings for your installers. So you've made your selections for your project and you want to know, how soon can the product get to my job site? With our quick ship program, architectural wall panels ship free from our factory within 5 business days. This means our products can get to your job site quickly, saving you time and money. If you're looking for custom color options, you'll need to allow more lead time for color matching and sample approvals. How can I buy Nichiha architectural wall panels? If you fill out the Contact a Rep form on our website, you'll be connected with one of our qualified sales reps who can assist you with purchasing our products. What are Nichiha architectural wall panels made of? Nichiha's architectural wall panels are made out of durable fiber cement and are installed using corrosion-resistant clips on a track system that holds them off the wall about 1/4 of an inch. This creates a built-in rain screen and protects your substrate. Because Nichiha's architectural wall panels are made out of fiber cement, they're extremely low maintenance for the homeowner. How do I clean Nichiha architectural wall panels? When your panels need to be cleaned, you can dilute a mild household soap with water and wash with a soft brush and garden hose. It's best to refrain from pressure washing. Thanks for watching. For more information about our high-performance products, visit our website, nichiha.com.